Road to be a real Jamaican macho man. Man have to pray certain things and know we not do it. Man have to know how to move, how to talk and how to eat. You know what I mean? To be a real Jamaican macho man. Example. Yo Ross! Oh my ass Ross! No do it. What you have to do Ross is real Jamaican macho man, no lick lollipop. We no lick, no do it. And the next thing, real Jamaican macho man, we no eat certain things certain way. You know what I mean? And another thing, you said the licking thing now.
Honey.
Hey, baby.
For me, yes.
No boy, don't do it. No do it.
So suppose you never have a spoon, eh?
Them would better eat. I don't do it.
Batty boy! You know the thing lick up a chip me.
This made
because
me
when
laugh.
you come on my yard and get where you want, me no see you back, you not tap hide from me. Me a call your phone, you not answer me. Oh, you tell me say you not no woman. But me see a party last night with a big foot tough girl. But no worry yourself, cause me come to tell you say me nobody want you. Because your body too little bit and soft. And me no want a sponge, me want a big jackhammer. So the time you down your kin your teeth and your bumbleclad ugly friend them. Tell your friend them say you is a pork eating rasta. Tell your friend them say you like to eat the oink oink. Tell your friend them say you like to long out your tongue. Boy, you hide for a nice clean chrome skin girl like me. You not even have on a good underpants. Eh? You tell people boy you have hammer, you have a nail, a 2-inch nail. You know say every minute you did have to fix the condom cause it a drop off. Cause them no make condom for 2-inch nail. You understand? We're bright in a blood clot.
This made me.
Police department, this is the brutality service department. How can I help you?
Hello? I want to talk to the police to ticket my bicycle.
You got the wrong department, you know. We don't go deal with brutality. We punch people on their face and kick them on ground and them something there. Yeah, beat them with baton and them thing there. Mama transfer you.
Your voice sound familiar though. What your name?
Know me? Trust me, you don't want to know me.
Know you. You don't want to know you. You're going like you're a robot, like you make out of steel. You're a human being, you're dead too.
Yeah? Well, I can quicker make it happen for you, you know.
You threaten me? Do me a favor. Suck out your mama and transfer the call.
What you say? Try know so I can trace your call and find out where you're there, you know.
And try know say Rastan afraid of Babylon. Go trace your mama.
Don't you disrespect Mama Sandy like that, you know.
I'm so sorry. Where your grandmother name?
She named Agnes, what happened?
Me just ask a question. Why you not so hostile?
Don't I answer you? I said my grandmother named Agnes and my mother named Sandy.
Alright, so you talk to Sandy from there.
No, me not. Why you asking me my business?
When you talk to her, tell her to suck out Agnes. Now move up and transfer the call.
Hey boy, I go and hunt you down and find you, you see?
What? You ever hear about nobody a hunt down lion? Me last, boy, you go find me. Fire!
What you say, lion? You's a Rasta boy.
Nope. Me's not a Rasta boy, me's a Rasta man. He's a what? Fish filters?
By the hook or the crook, I must find you.
Watch out, man. Just transfer the call now, man. Take the hook and crook and push under your mama bum buckler and stop chase with me.
You want me to transfer the call? Eh? I go and transfer it right now. Hold on. Fucker.
Very good, boy. Hello? How are you doing? Hang up.
Boy, we can't believe it. Yeah, what you say?
I'm a guy jail, man. And I jail. Boy, I live now in a 1-7. Yeah. Too long, you know. Yeah. You just come. I two dads. Find too long, you know. The man that move them pan across wall upon where. And I did, and I night me go there. I did me there that thing I look at a man say, my own. Yeah. Turn on the fan. It's a fan. I never seen an electric light now. I play much as a fan. I look. A man say, Virgin, turn on the fan, man. So I say, family, I see a fan. You have one shorts on the pants. One shorts on the pants. I say, yeah, man, I have my shorts, man. So take off your pants. Lord, let me take off my pants. I saw me in a blood class cellar. A wheel. So say me, I'm tired now, I'm going to stop. I say, blood clot like that. All I saw, I said, the man, you look at me, chest, so, bow! Immediately, like, come on.
And me I come from Maypen, you know. And I come to Chapelton. And beg a man I drive, you know. And you see, after me and the man I come and I reason. Every time the man talking a rasta, me have to turn my nose over the next side, you know. Right? And me I say, hold on the man. Me couldn't bear it no longer in a rasta. Until me and the man alone in the car, you know. And me go say to the man, me brethren, rascal man, your mouth stinking, man. The man say, what you say, what? Me say, man, it's high, man. The man say, hold on. Stop. Come out of my car, man. Me say, for what? Because you say my mouth stink, man. And me say, what a rascal man like this. It look like you name dead rat or some bumbo clotting, man. And come out, you know. And take bus and come and Maypen, you know. Right? And to rascal, why is not every truth must be told?
You come and tell people about me, why not easy?
Me not there. You know say you are Marsha there now.
I'm going to let Marsha out there. I'm not there. Let's see a cross is that.
Me I tell Marsha, me I say right now.
Yeah, it's been all that long time. I'm not busy.
Me have 9 man, right? Me have 9 man, you can't want me.
Madam say come out to some here talk. Before me say come candle and come in there come walk here. You hear me tell you come out to some here talk.
One year, little boy.
Oh, we call you boy. Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Don't you ever do that.
That's
Don't you ever do that. Me and DJ Skiddy, don't play with me. You want? Batman, me not waste no time, Batman. Me just come to come here. Go in that way. Just come to stomach out that blood clot.
And sugar around.
What? That's what me done, stomach out that whole bit of... Yeah, gone yard.
Yo, before.
I'm gonna want this, yo. 50. Tell about your pants. Rent yourself good meal. Well, at $200. Have not a nice day.
Boy, your head dry like.
What you say?
Dry head picnic.
You're full of flux like that. You kind of chat to me for big face. See your forehead big and broad and feel big.
Oh, yeah. So, I seen him come out of a cuss?
Drop your window and go on with your business here, because you look like a big trial and crosses, my man. So, no, don't get me from my wrong side and draw my tongue.
Yeah, boss. She left my business, mash up the business. Just by 5, and she said, how much she sell me one for? How much she tell her selling for?
150. You want me to see the money I look like him want from
Yo, remember me tell you, but I'm more than 5 now buy.
Hello, Mr. Lackerman, put down that phone and mind you have to shit up.
Just want to take the time out here to big up all the females them who do oral sex. Because you know do something when not even the government of Jamaica not do enough of. Yes, you know entrepreneurs because you know provide jobs for youth like me can get a job. Yes, so big up on yourself for that. Big up on yourself, female.
Hi Snapchat, just here smoking with my future husband. Say hi to the camera.
Our blood clot future has been your chopper. Tell them the bomb clot thing.
All the gun war coming at Jamaica is not the man from China nor Europe nor Ethiopia. I said actually gonna come to Jamaica, you know. And the same Jamaican them. And when the gun come at Jamaica, brown man, it a kill the same Jamaican people.
You have a problem with this. You have a problem with the gun, I have a problem with the man them. Me not have the use the gun.
No. As long as the gun don't come my way,
yeah,
me good to go. That's the answer to what you just said.
Alright, let me ask you a question now. Because you ask question and you not answer back your own question. If you are going now, you say, because I base off of what you are saying.
Go ahead, sir.
See? Because you say the man them with the big money them now are going to hate you and bring in the gun them.
Yeah.
A criminal them they are talking about. Right. No. Let me ask you a question. Don't you think that if the Jamaican government really
Girl, them hot, sauce tight, truck style, pull up in the fast right. Nothing but the weird and half tight. Smack beat with a half
Jamaicans in the group chat. Yo party tonight. No. Now, me and my girl going to dinner. LOL, LOL. Why you laughing? Y'all never get battery last night a back road? All bigs bus off Ina or throat to Rasclat. Speak English, LMAO. You not even Jamaican, why you laughing? I'll hold you mata cunt you gala whore. Me bumbo clat me weak. When there is
How old are you?
Right now at me young age, Mr. Young, bold and beautiful. I'm 37 years of age, the 24th of this month.
How many children do you have?
23, 22 baby mother. I was batting careful and a good cricketer.
If you're batting careful, how did you manage to have 23 children?
Because I lick all of the runs, them I never out for dogs.
Yeah?
I never out for dogs.
You think you're a role model for the young guys of Jamaica?
Yeah, I'm a role model for the young guys of Jamaica because remember my first song said, I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them see the way. Show them all the beauty we possess inside. And my part come in and say, send for your protection if you're not ready for baby. I never get nobody pregnant until when me named Dan Gargan.
At what age was that? What age were you Dan Gargan?
From me at 15.
You started at 15 and you believe...
Your blood.
After realizing that the 6 kids which she have, enough for him. You hear that? After I realized that the 6 kids, the 6 pitney them, where she have, where he think of him pitney them, it wasn't his. In other words, a jacket pitney them a jacket. 6 of them. That is what you call a jacket. A man get one pitney from a woman where enough for him, that's not a jacket, that's just a sleeve. One pitney is a sleeve. 2, maybe at the collar. 3, maybe at the button. 4 pitney, maybe at the pocket them. 5 of them, maybe at the cloth will make the jacket. And 6, that is maybe the thread to make the jacket them. But that is a full jacket. That is. But anyway, I go read down and see what I go on. An angry man in Jamaica who suddenly found out that his wife had been cheating on him, that all the 6 children in the marriage, so then they are married to her, you get me?
We're not ill.
Upset me, upset me.
What?
I sick my smoke.
What's sick your stomach?
I got sick, sir. I got disease. I got disease. I got sick, sir. I got disease. I see this. Hey, let me leave someone. Come on, go right now, go right now, go right now, go right now. No.
No, for what?
Me away.
At $100 more.